Hello, I'm Governor Ralph Northam. Flooding is the most common and costly natural disaster in the United States. Yet most Virginians are not aware of their risk or prepared for the devastating impacts a flood could have. The reality is, no matter the time of year, storms and heavy rains can lead to floods that destroy homes, businesses, infrastructure, and the lives and livelihoods of Virginians. And over the past several years, Virginia has seen increased precipitation and flooding that has caused millions of dollars in damage. As we grapple with the impacts of climate change and sea level rise, Virginia is taking proactive steps to build greater resilience in our communities. The Virginia Coastal Resilience Master Plan, the establishment of the Community Flood Preparedness Fund, and other initiatives taken by our administration are a framework for bold action. We have a roadmap to protect life and property and make our communities more resilient to floods, hurricanes, and other extreme weather events. But each of us needs to do our part. I have proclaimed March 14th through the 20th as Flood Awareness Week in the Commonwealth of Virginia. I encourage you to review your insurance policy and make sure you have the coverage you need, because anywhere it can rain, it can flood. While flood insurance cannot prevent the damage caused by a flood, it can help you recover faster. And don't wait. It takes 30 days for a flood insurance policy to become effective. Please know your risk, protect your property, and get flood insurance today. For more information on flood insurance, call your insurance provider or visit floodsmart.gov. And for information on flood protection efforts in Virginia, visit the Department of Conservation and Recreation's website at dcr.virginia.gov. Thank you, and please stay safe.